Here we are in front of Inakop, right in front of the ocean. There's the city. It's huge. Perfect. We're in Inakop in the training restaurant that they have. It's an actual restaurant, and the students here run the restaurant right by the ocean. Wow! Look at this beautiful sight. We're in the Inakop building, right outside the restaurant, looking at the ocean. Such a beautiful day. Really beautiful. I'm here with the vice-rector of Inakop. Hi. And my friend Diana, and Veronica, and Claudia, y no me acuerdo, I'm sorry. Francisca, of course. We're looking at one of the electrical machine labs, and there's all the students doing all their work on machines. Oh, Peep. We're going to have a beautiful lunch here. Look at how beautiful. Look how beautiful. Thank you very much. This is so beautiful. Muchas gracias. Look at the delicious lunch we're going to have. Look at all this stuff. Oh, look at that. Looks good, huh?
And good. The food looks so good.
Beautiful.
It's very fancy.
Yo no juego más con ustedes, como dicen los cabros.
Al regresar no hay una playita donde podemos parar por un segundo.
Yo creo que sí.
Okay.
Cuando salgamos, podemos después a la salida a las 4:30 parar 5 minutos donde haya playa o no.
Me tengo que desviar nomás porque por el
¿Es
camino...
mucho?
Un poco nomás.
Y ahora la ida tampoco, ¿no es cierto?
Tampoco, no tengo... porque me voy a meter al centro.
No, a la vuelta no.
A la vuelta lo tengo.
No. Unfortunately.
It's not convenient.
No, because he has to go through downtown. Downtown is
it's too
horrible.
congested. Okay.
But you will come again, though.
Yeah. It's beautiful.
This is lovely, yeah. With all the pelicans there. I'm sure you should have sat on this side. I'm sorry.
No. It's okay.
I didn't think of it.
No. Está bien.
This is the railroad that goes between Valparaiso and Viña. It runs down here. That's the railroad. This is a short one. ¿Y vamos a pasar por el reloj de las flores? ¿No es este aquí?
Está ahí, pero yo no me veo.
Ah, no es para allá. No. Tienes razón. So you get to see, you probably get to see it when we turn around. And it works. It's a
I
clock.
see it, yeah. Ese dice Viña del Mar.
Sí.
Okay, aquí estamos entonces en Viña del Mar, the touristy place.
Sí.
Muy lindo.
To your right, that's a shade. To your right, you'll see the.
Oh, there it is, yeah. Viña del Mar.
Un millona.
Gracias.
Now you get to see more of the sea, because he's taking the scenic route.
Very nice.
This is
The Sheraton,
Hotel.
yeah.
This is where Vice President Biden stayed and his whole delegation, so we all have to come work out here.
That must have been hard.
Oh God, you're telling me. Look at that. That's
Oh
lovely.
my God. That is gorgeous.
Oh, this is lovely. what you will see to your right past here is esta es la Santa María, ¿no? ¿Dónde empieza?
¿Perdón?
¿Aquí empieza la Santa María o no? ¿La Universidad Técnica?
No.
No, fue al otro lado.
No, eso está, lo pasamos.
¿Verdad?
¿Es casa o restaurante?
These are museums now, but they were family homes. This is a hotel and a restaurant. See, all that is the Viña part. This is Viña now.
So
This
all
is a resort.
kind of.
That's a casino and a hotel. That's the main square of Viña. See, they're stuck together. This is like
yeah, you can't tell where one
Maryland
ends.
and Washington D.C.
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
You cross the street and you're on the other side. That's downtown Viña del Mar.
Oh, it's beautiful.
No, it's very nice. It's very. I mean, I have friends who have apartments here on the weekends, or they come to visit.
Here's the racetrack.
Este es el hipódromo Sausalito, ¿no?
Este es el hipódromo.
Ya, este es el hipódromo. Este es el club de golf.
No, esta es la laguna.
Ah, qué bonito.
¿Tiene nombre la laguna?
¿Y la laguna cómo se llama?
Sausalito.
Sausalito?
Sí.
Sauce in Spanish is weeping willow.
Oh.
So this is little weeping willow.
Oh. Wow. Okay, we are in the next university, Pontificia Universidad Católica de Valparaíso. Here we are, our next talk. Aquí estamos, ¿dónde estamos?
Pontificia Universidad Católica de Valparaíso.
Y este es mi muñequito Peep, que te dice hola. Oh, that's beautiful. Holy mackerel. Peep, do you see the ocean? Oh my goodness. Lindísimo, muchas gracias.
Now you have it on this side. So get
We'll
Peep
try it
ready.
again. Okay.
And I'm gonna make myself almost invisible.
Oh
Now,
my
here.
Lord. Look at that, Peep. That is Valparaíso.
And Viña del Mar.
And Viña del Mar, right? Wow. The ocean.
Un millón, huh?
I love it.
Where were you in Hawaii? Oh, right here.
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at this.
Gorgeous.
You get the port there. This port with it.
Oh my God.
Qué linda la
Oh,
vista.
that's gorgeous.
You know,
A mí me fascina el mar.
yo viviría aquí como un lorito. And today was a beautiful, clear day.
Bye, Valparaíso. It was beautiful. I had a great time. Just the whole day has been wonderful.
It's been a nice day. It's been, sort of varied, but things are close enough here because it's a small place. So.
Hello.
Do a lot of work. Mira las flores.